Haro ya kuhurana ungumania na wici wa indo cia muingi ni nyitete thinga thutha wa igoti rinene gwathana mugunda wa muigana wa ciringi mirioni 410 ura uri moko-ini ma kambuni ya waki wa manyumba ya Sunshine Villas ucokerio muingi kaunti-ini ya Kisumu. Itua riri rirekereirio ni mucirithania Samson Okongo cira-ini uria Sunshine Villas yathitangite kaunti ya Kisumu mwaka-ini wa 2018 o ni thutha wa thirikari ya Kisumu kumomora nyumba ciao ikiuga mugunda ucio ni wa muingi, no Sunshine makihinyiriria ni wao na makienda kuriho hathara ya ciringi mirioni 250.
We had lost it with a lot of damages going to the plaintiff. So I want to take this opportunity to thank EACC, because when they came in, there's a lot of research work that was done. There's a lot of search for document that was done.
Cira-ini ucio ihoya ria Sunshine Villas guthie na mbere na waki wa nyumba cia gorofa ni wetekeririo ni igoti, no githiaga na mbere kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC ni yaikiri ihoya ria gukuruhanio naguo undu uria wetekerirwo mwaka-ini wa 2022.
When the case was filed, the county government of Kisumu drafted EACC, who by law you are aware that it has a duty to protect government properties.
EACC wira-ini wayo wonanite gicunje giki kia ikemwe ni wilivia miferethi ya mai ya kambuni ya KUHURANA, no Sunshine Villas magiaka iguru wa miferethi yo na gutharario tabia wa mai.
We have legal documents to support that position, especially the development plan of the 1960s, which designates where we are as a corridor for water intake.
Waki wa nyumba ici wathire na mbere onjoria a Sunshine Villas makioya ngombo ya ciringi mirioni 180 kuma bengi ya Baroda, ona thengia wa mukana kuma kuri kamiti ya migunda NLC, thirikari ya Kisumu kwa kuheana marua ma waki oro undu mwe na EACC.
The entire area, you can see structures, even a building next to us. This is water treatment area all the way to where you see the swamp and where you see the county assembly construction going on. So this is public land.
Kuona cia muici ni 40 riu onjoria ya matigitwo theri thutha wa mucirithania Samson Okongo kuga ucenjia wa gicunje giki kuma moko-ini ma muingi nginyagia moko-ini ma mundu kiumbe ni mugaru na watho. Wabici ya migunda Kisumu ikiuria gukanja taitu iyo.
The era for evicting government officers from an office because on their land, the era is gone. The day of reckoning has come. So return public property. If you have money, go and buy a property. Rudisha shamba za serikali.
Okongo ningi ni athanite bengi ya Baroda ira yaheanire ngombo ya ciringi mirioni 180 ndi na hinya wa kuiyukia kana kwendia mugunda na nyumba icio. Itua ria ningi rihutitie onjoria a Sunshine Villas.
If anyone was to take over that piece of land, then he should seek permission from all of us.
Thutha wa itua riri EACC yugite kaunti ya Kisumu niyo etororoketie na wici wa migunda na indo cia muingi kirugamira ciringi bilioni 8.
Thank you EACC. I know we have almost we have forwarded to you almost a few files, but in total there are 100 over 100, but 76 are the clear government land that people took.
Imwe ya migunda ya muingi ni eka 18 cia thoko ya Kibuya ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 2, eka 20 mwena wa Milimani cia waki wa wabici cia ruhonge rwa njera, migunda ya kambuni ya reri, nyumba cia aruti wira a thirikari gatagati kaingi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wanjiku.